Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, my today's video is unique because in this video I'm going to share different ideas, different perspectives of how you can use all our embroidery designs for designing various type of DIY creative things. Like you can design your pouch, you can design your bags, handbags, baby bonnets, baby dresses, baby shirts, even summer hats that could be paired up with your summer outfits, baby bottoms, handmade, hand knitted crochet items could be beautifully designed by using these very beautiful floral all over embroidery design patterns. And the floral mini flowers of all over embroidery patterns are unique and easy to make, and at the same time very less amount of effort is required. You can also design your dresses, the yoke of your dress, the neckline of your dress. You can also design tablecloth, pillow cover, cushion covers, bed sheets, curtains, and many more creativities as per home decor, girls DIY accessories. Like you can design your bags, handbags, leather bags, girls accessories like scarf, stalls, shawls, and different type of many more creativities as per your own choices. Now if we talk about the stuff that which type of fabric cloth is suitable for making these very beautiful all over embroidery patterns, then it is up to you. This is your choice totally, that you can use totally on to the dependency of season in which you are making. For making summer dresses with these all over embroidery dresses, you can use lawn, and for making intermix fabric, like you can use cambric, you can use cotton, you can use linen, you can use corduroy as well. And for summer you can also use any type of blended stuff. I hope that different type of patterns are being shown along with the handmade things to give a more creative and realistic view that how you can use these very beautiful floral patterns. You can design your any type of accessories, your baby girl frock, shirts, your dresses, your kurti, kameez, shirt, and even you can design your everyday wear accessories like tote bag, handbag, purse, cushion covers, and many more creativities. So stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Up till then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Do leave comments below my video so that I could get to know what you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you in the new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care, friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Keep supporting us, keep watching us, and put your questions in our comment sections if you want to ask us anything, if you want to give any suggestion.